As you guys know, the coming Sunday is our church's birthday, 56th birthday, so just got a few questions for you guys. What keeps you coming to EFKS Porirua?
Yeah, I was thinking about this earlier. It's just trying to understand Nove more. Like, just trying to understand like what everyone that goes up is talking about. Because like even though like I was brought up around my mum and dad and they speak Samoan every day, it's still a bit of a challenge to understand like Malawi, isn't it? So it's a good challenge, and like, whenever I go home, just ask mum if like what I was trying to understand was right.
I feel like the thing that keeps me coming back to EFKS for all these years is the principles, the values and the morals that has been instilled in me since I was younger, from the Whaiko B all the way to now. And I feel like it has set a foundation in my life about faith, and that's why I keep coming back, to help grow that relationship and keep the faith strong with God.
Le tele mamanga fa Samoa male mama maanga ile faleanga le tutonu le kalesia ne.
Why I keep coming, because I love this church and I love being around with people and I love praying and all that. So yeah.
Our second question is, what are your hopes for the future of our ministry?
One thing for this year is the junior youth, because we've never done it for a long time until now. This year we are now beginning to do something new and bring the whole young people together to acknowledge and participate, to learn something new, like understand the Bible, about God, about life, about Jesus Christ. And also another thing is to learn the languages to any of us who can't really fully speak, but this will be the greatest opportunity for all of us, not just me, all of us to speak and share it with families and friends that you can count on.
I think just keeping the junior youth alive. Like I feel like that's where the future lies. Yeah, it's quite little, but it's true. Yeah, just keep them coming and trying to bring up the next generation.
I feel like for me, the generation now is staying at church, and I feel like the junior youth has helped that. It's been a space for us to stay and to fellowship with each other, and just kind of stay together. I feel like Nova has given us more opportunities as well, and the elders of the church, and kind of, they're good in order over the next generation. So like, yeah, more opportunities for us to take charge of the youth.
Nice. No.
Le facto tele ina leo tangata o mai tonu ai ngata ko ye ne ya ola atutupu ale kalesia se numerated time never know.